Welcome back to CIT Tech Tips. Today, we're going to be talking about green screens, like the one behind me. Today I'm going to show you how to make a green screen picture from your own home. Let's get into the video. Okay. First step, you're going to want to take a picture of you on the green screen and move that to your Windows device. Next, you're going to want to open Paint 3D. Next, you want to press Open and press Browse Files and select the file that you want. After a second, it should open in that. Next, you want to go to Magic Select and then press Next, and this will automatically select the parts of your photo that are most important. So it might take a couple bits, you might crop a little bit out, or you might go through it twice. So if I move this part, then it becomes a sticker. If I magic select it again, I'm sorry. There you go. So now you can see it focuses on only my hand. And you want to remove it again.
Yes, there's only stupid rules. So if you're not working, I agree. If you're not working, then you No, I agree. So like they're building.
Now I have this.
Oh, I know.
I have that little white spot that I don't want. So I'm gonna go through again.
Like me, you get dental. You like get dental the first time I go with nothing. Second time I go like $120.
And now we have only my hand.
How much?
Okay, you can see the before, it was kind of like that. We took it from this, and we took it from that, and now we have only our hand. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to make this a sticker, and then you're going to go to brushes, and you're going to want to go to the fill, the eraser, and then just erase the entirety of your background. There's probably a faster way to do this, but delete these, and then I go to stickers. I put the sticker from before. I put the sticker from before into here and expand it until it fills the entire thing. Now to make this transparent so you can actually put it on other pictures, what you want to do is click on Canvas at the top and turn on Transparent Canvas. Now you see the canvas disappears. And now you can go in and take out some imperfections that you may have. Like I have this little imperfection under my finger. I can get rid of that. Not very good, but I got rid of it. Then you want to save it. So you go to menu and press save as image. And you want to save as a PNG. And now you have a transparent picture from a green screen. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching CIT Tech Tips. Make sure to check out everything else on our YouTube channel. Make sure to check out our podcast. Have a great day.